after the cation we come to the next topic of ions, that is anion. Anions are the negative charge ion, negatively charged ions. They are electronegative in nature because anions are formed by gaining of electron. They gain the electron and they become having the having the negative charge, and they are called electronegative. Now we take very common example of chlorine. The atomic mass of the chlorine is 35. The atomic number is 17. Obviously, as we have discussed, the atomic number is equal to the number of proton. So the proton is 17 and number of proton is equal to the number of electrons. So the electrons are also 17 and number of neutron is 18, because the atomic mass is equal to number of atomic mass is equal to number of proton plus number of electron. So when the proton is 70, now the atomic mass is equal to number of proton and number of neutron. So when the proton is 17, the neutron is 18, it will be 35. The atomic mass is 35. So this is the arrangement of the electron. Electrons are 17. In the first shell there are 2 electrons. In the second shell it is 8. Both first and second shell are filled. Now in the third shell it is 7. Any atom, any substance will be stable when in the outermost shell is the last shell. In the last shell there will be 8 electrons. But as you can see in the case of chlorine, this is the last shell, third shell is the last shell. It is having 7 electrons. And if one more electron will be added in this, it will have 8. When the chlorine will have 8 electrons, it will be stable. It will be stable. So the chlorine wants to gain the electron, and from the atom it will be now ion. This is the arrangement 2, 8, 7. In the last shell it is having 7 electron. It take 1 electron, it gain 1 electron and form chloride ion. This is chloride ion. And in the last shell it is now 8 electron. Now I am explaining here again. In this chloride ion, number of proton is 17. There is no change in the structure of proton, but as we know, I have seen that they have taken 1 electron, so the number of electron increases to 18. That's why it is having 1 negative charge. So we take the example of an ionic compound, that is sodium chloride. In the case of sodium, which we have discussed earlier, the number of electrons are 11, so the arrangement is 281. If sodium lose this electron, it become more stable, and the chlorine is 287. Sodium want to lose electron and chlorine want to gain 1 electron. This sodium give this electron to chlorine and it forms sodium ion, Na+, and chlorine take 1 electron to form Cl negative, that is chloride ion. 1 unit positive charge and 1 unit negative charge cancel out. It form a ionic compound. Simple, we can write in this way, that is NaCl. So always remember beta, electrons are electropositive. Metals are electropositive. They lose electron. Metals are electropositive. They lose electron. Sodium is a metal. Magnesium is a metal. And this non-metals are electronegative. They gain electron.